Google Contacts allows users to recover valuable data and resume seamless communication with their network. Whether it's due to accidental deletions, data loss, or a phone reset, Google Contacts Restore offers a lifeline for users in distress. Part 1. How to restore Google Contacts from or on Google Drive. Google Contact Restore on Android via Google Drive. Open Gmail in your web browser. Sign in and select Contacts from the left menu. Click More below the search bar, then choose Restore Contacts. Customize the restoration and click Restore. On Android, go to Settings Accounts Google, log in, tap the menu icon, and select Sync Now to regain disappeared contacts on Android. Google Contacts Restore on iPhone using Google Drive. Unlock your iPhone, go to Settings, find and tap Accounts and Passwords. Select Add Account and choose Google. Sign in with your Google credentials. Toggle on Contacts Sync. Part 2. How to restore contacts from Gmail or Google Backup. Android only closing parenthesis dot in Settings. Go to Google Setup and Restore Contacts. Select the account. Choose the phone and disable SIM card or device storage. Tap Restore and wait for contacts restored. Part 3. How to restore contacts from Google Contacts Trash. In Google Contacts, tap 3 lines. Select Trash for deleted contacts within 30 days. Tap the contact. Choose Recover. Delete for more. Be cautious to avoid delete forever. Part 4. How to retrieve contacts from Google Undo Changes. In Google Contacts, tap 3 lines. Go to Settings Undo Changes. Select a time frame or customize within the last 30 days. Tap Confirm and wait for changes to reflect. Extra tip: how to restore contacts or phone numbers on Android without backup. Is there another method to recover deleted contacts from Android without a backup? With the aid of Mobikin Doctor for Android, you can effortlessly regain access to your contacts on any Android device.